love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be playing Island, and I'm playing with my friend Jonathan. And let me tell him. Okay, so guys, today I will show you guys how to get sheeps. You need to be on level 21 to get the sheeps, and you have to go to the hub to buy them. You can't get them for free, and let me show you. But my cousin Cookie Lover bought it. I'm on level like 20, not 21. And I kinda lagged. Well, I don't know why. And the chicken is sleeping on its nest. And this is the sheep. You're also able to mount it also, see? You can also ride on it. Alright. Yeah, but in case there's like if Jonathan like tries to come, don't. I'll show you his island. Let me go to his island. Oh, why am I always stuck there? Alright. I kinda lagged though. Again. I don't know why this is happening. And his island looks kinda... Oops, sorry for that.
Hold on.
I had to tell him. So his island looks like it has some wheat crops. It even like has copper and gold. But I see. Why do I keep on falling? That might be gold. He needs to like expand his island. It wasn't really expanded. He's telling me like how many minutes it. Alright. Let me go to the hub to show you guys because I went to the desert island. Alright, I'm at the hub. I'm going to the desert island, so this is gonna take a very long time. Get away. The slime is not gonna go near me. The Buffalo Island. Usually there's the most gold on the Wizard Island. So if you guys wanna go there, you can go. See? There's some gold, but I'll get those later. Alright, this is a portal where you can go to the desert island. So you just go in here. Alright, so this is a desert island. There's a lot of cactuses, a lot of white sticks. Some red sandstone, and there's even some iron scorpions. Let's kill them. Why is it not dying? Yes, I got it. And it gives you more XP than the Wizard Island, than the Wizard. But the Wizard only gives you like 196 XP. That's how much amount it only gives you. Come on, die. Scorpion, die. Get away from me. Don't go near me. Don't think about it. Yes, I got it. Yes, 300 combat. Ah! How did you just walk there in the spawn? What? Oh my god, it stole my health, but guys, it's the lag for it. Really apologize. Now for you. Ooh! I just died. Okay, so I was just there to kill wizards and scorpions. And that's how I show you guys how to like get on your mounts, how to get sheeps, and that was the chicken update. And that was the update, it came there a few days ago. So I think that is gonna be pretty much it though. And so I hope you guys liked my channel. Please remember to like and subscribe and click that bell button. If you guys are buying Robux or Premium, make sure to use star code Renee, but if it doesn't work, just let me know and I'll fix it. And also guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I got to see my friend Jonathan today. And even he like joined me in Island, so I gave him a moment. And everybody guys, please remind me that I will be doing a giveaway winner a few more weeks until spring break. And today guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!